आम्ही कूर्ग वयते आहात. कूर्ग
कूर्ग म्हणला खंय तें
कूर्ग म्हणल्यार मडिकेरी
मडिकेरी केदो आमचे
मंगळा. Sketty, famous here at this place. Don't show much. There's same way. There's another room here. This is 3 BHK. Same toilet, bathroom, and there's another room there as well. The balcony here out. You can see this lighting. So. Hi, hello, welcome to another vlog video. Today's vlog video is going to be very special. Today is Sunday, RCB and KK is playing and we are heading to Coorg. It's a very nice resort which we're going to. Me, my cousins, my uncle, my dad's brother and his wife and my dad's younger brother's wife. So we all are traveling and just thought like we'll have family time. And the place where I'm going, I know that I know I've been there like before, so might as well thought like shoot a vlog. And yeah, I was in Bangalore for 2-3 days. I had to go to the office, and right now I'm in Udupi itself. I'm working from home, so I can shoot vlogs. I can follow my passion alongside with my work. So today, as we are heading to Coorg, it's already like 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock was the time given to these people, and they're still not ready. Let's see what time we leave and what time we can reach there. I think it's about 250 kilometers or so. So let's see how is the journey. And it's been very long that I have been to Coorg. Maybe 3 years back down the line I had been there with my friends. So this is like I'm going with my family. The place is really nice. I'll try to shoot 2 episodes of this Coorg trip. Let's see how this journey goes. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. You guys don't subscribe, you watch my videos but you don't subscribe. Please subscribe, and if you like the video, please share it. It's good that like it will be good, it'll be helpful for me to create more such kind of videos and keep you all busy during your spare time. RCB, the match just started. Uncle, रेडी जाऊ नाही तो कितना वेळ.
ओके आता
हा रेडी घे. हा कितला वेळ लावे. 3 o'clock म्हणले तुमका. आता कितले झाले बाराशी. टाइम इज तो सुटीच आहे. ऑलरेडी लेट झालंय. See, it's already 3:05. I don't know when I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna reach there. Gonna have tea and then leave maybe. So, आम्ही कूर्ग वयते आहात. कूर्ग
म्हणला खंय तें
कूर्ग म्हणल्यार मडिकेरी
मडिकेरी केदो आमचे
मंगळारा. कोण ऑफिसाक वचून आयलो. येते कूर्ग येते. See, these people, they take car and they don't clean this. Actually, my car had gone for a wedding, my friend's sister's wedding. Yeah, and I do give my car for wedding rentals as well. So if you are watching, put down my number in the description and the screen. You can contact me if you have any weddings. So I give my car. So now, one bag goes here. This is also broken. I need to replace. Anyways, I had to give my car for service. But no, I thought after coming from Coorg, I'll give for service maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday. Yeah, and this is the second bag. I don't know how many more bags are there. So finally, after so much of waiting, after so much of preparation, we finally left from Kemmannu. How are you feeling?
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, good.
Very good.
Yeah. I'm coming here after like several years, and this is how it's become now. KT Hotel. It's like the mandatory stop every time you go from this way, either to Bangalore or to Coorg or Chikmagalur. There's a mandatory stop where you have to give. Let's see how it is for a change. The crowd here. There is AC room as well there. The amount of people waiting. Uncle, kasha halna hai?
Very good. Good hotel.
The chai onka na? Chai onka.
काय आता ऑर्डर दिला
Skating, famous here at this place. People just come to have this skating. Chip kar uncle, kasha pade?
व्हेरी सुपर
Baya. Parking.
पार्किंग
Cool. We just reached. You might have seen the entrance to the resort. It's called as the Birchwood Retreat. Really nice. So you can see this is how it looks like. There's a space here for parking, and the other side as well, parking space here as well. There's enough space, and that side also there is, I think there are rooms. So we are just going to the reception now. I think we have to head to reception this way. Probably in the morning I'll be able to, see the entire view of the resort. But right now, just going to go into the reception and, just going to check into our rooms, and whatever I can include during the night, I'll try to include reception and see what they have got to say. And I booked it through initially when I came here, I booked it through booking.com, but later I had their contact, so I booked it. I just called them and I booked it. I'll leave it in the description. You can just try to contact them if you want to come here and have a nice time. So we are staying here for 2 days. 2 nights and 3 days. So today night, today Sunday, and tomorrow Monday, and Tuesday we are heading back home. So maybe tomorrow we'll be going to some places here, Golden Temple and whatever is there, the tourist places that we can visit in and around Madikeri, Coorg. So yeah, let's go to the reception and see what's there. This is the way to the reception. Uncle, kasha hai go?
व्हेरी नाईस गुड
आताच्या स्टायली मात्र मागीर पळया सकाळी हा
काले काले करूयात म्हणून
काल करेल सांग काल करेल सांग
नाका नाका
सांग
व्हेरी नाईस प्लेस
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಐ ಡಿ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸರ್ ನಾ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಏನು ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾಗಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ pool table tennis, and this is how I think this is the dinner room here, and this is also foosball here, you can see, and this is how it looks like. I think that's the pool over there. I'm not quite sure. I don't know if they'll allow now. Normally they close it after 8. So from the reception to this place it's around 200 meters. So we took the car. There's a private space here also. So if you can see private space for car parking, that's the villa. And this is called, ours is Villa 5 Saffron. Luggage tagiteve adilla, no problem. So let's walk. Let's see how the villa is. So this is like the open balcony. They have like 3-4 balconies. This is the open one. I think there's another villa there. I'll show you. There's another balcony here, I guess. This side. It's dark. So there's another balcony here. See this glass. So this is the upstairs section, and this is going to be my room. I think there's an attached bathroom as well. So this is bathroom. This is the, and there's a balcony over there also. If you can. So yeah. No negotiation with the safety. So this is another balcony. You can see, and this is the way to downstairs. Won't show much. There's same way. There's another room here. This is 3 BHK. Same toilet, bathroom, attached, and there's another room there as well. When I go down here, this is the living room, and this is the kitchen. There's another balcony here out. You can see this lighting. So this, we are ordering food. See, they have such a beautiful menu, but yeah, it's okay, reasonable, not that very expensive. So the kitchen at night closes at, the last hour is 10, closes at 10:30. They also have a restaurant where you can just go and dine in over there, but we prefer to have in our room itself, in our villa itself. It's a 3 BHK villa. I didn't tell you, I'll tell you some of the amenities here. So it's a 3 BHK villa, 1 room is on top where I'll be staying, and 2 rooms are down. They have attached bathrooms, and they also have this foosball, basketball, volleyball court, swimming pool, and all those things that I can show it probably in the next vlog. And also they have spa only for females, and I think for one night it is around 18,000 for a villa. So that's how it is. And what else? There's like parking spaces, free Wi-Fi, swimming pool, and as I mentioned, nice. So we're just going to order some food and see. Is our stay for 2 days, sorry, 2 nights and 3 days. So कसे झाले, बरं आहे गे?
बरं आहे sir. Very good.
Very good.
Nice.
This is some instruction. कसे आले अनु?
भारी बरं.
कसे आले ईशा? So I think that's all from this vlog. It's a short vlog. We'll see you in the next vlog. That'll be short tomorrow. Until then, take care, stay safe, and bye-bye. And please do subscribe. Bye. Say bye.
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 Alicia.